on today's video, we are going to do another French two-strand twist, but this time it's going to be a variation. So about a week ago, I did another video of a two-strand French twist to keep my hair off my face, and I will pin it right there for you to check it out. But today we're going to do a similar twist, but we're going to do a variation of that style that's a little bit more elevated and less focused on just getting our hair off the face and more focused on looking pretty. So for this one, we're going to do a center part again, just for the sake of symmetry, but you can absolutely do this from a side part. So we're going to do the same thing, creating a twist, but instead of going down the side of our face, we're going to go through our hair like this, leaving some hair out in front and some hair out behind, and it just creates this really pretty, interesting look. So we're still going to start with the hair here at the front of our hairline, creating that small little triangle section. We're going to break it into two, and we're going to take the front piece and we're going to twist it over top of the back piece, and now the back piece has become the front piece. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure our hair is sort of brushed down our head. I'm going to tilt my head this way because it's going to make this easier to do. You don't have to do that, but it does make it easier. And instead of pulling hair right from the front of our hairline, we're going to go back about an inch, take up a little bit of hair, incorporate it with that piece that was now become our front piece, and we're going to twist. And we're going to keep doing that, picking up a little bit of hair from about an inch or so back of the hairline, making sure we get rid of all those extra little hairs, and then twist. And as we go back, I'm going a little bit further back, more like just a little bit more than an inch now, and a little bit further back again, and that's going to help it travel down my head. We're sort of aiming towards the back of the head here. Now you could go all the way around your head with this. I'm going to stop sort of when it reaches my ear, and we are going to throw a pin in it. So it stays, and then we're going to do the other side. Create our little triangle section. And just picking up and incorporating a little bit of hair, making sure we're keeping everything tidy as we go, taking an extra moment to kind of separate all those little hairs before you twist is what's going to help it look a little bit cleaner, a little more refined, and be less likely that you're going to create tangles, any weird bumps, lumps, odd shapes, anything like that. Just taking that time to make sure everything is neat really elevates your hairstyle. All right, and we'll pin this one. And there we go. Fast, easy, really, really pretty. Still kind of keeps your hair off your face a little bit, but in a little bit different of a way. It also looks really pretty if you're going to put the rest of your hair back, but you want to leave a few pieces out around your face. It's a very pretty look, unique. It's really fun to try styles like this that allow you to leave more of your hair down when you don't have a lot of hair, because it can make it feel like you have more hair. If there's like a little bit of an intricate style, you still got hair down. You don't have to feel like you're bald with all of your hair slicked back off of your face. So yeah, that's it. Simple, pretty. It's really fast once you are good at doing it. It's really not hard to do. And that's it. That's all I have to show you today. I hope you found that helpful. I hope that this adds another simple, easy style that you can do in your thin, fine hair. Let me know in the comments how it works out for you, or as usual, if you have any questions, because I'm always happy to do my best to answer those for you. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Send this video to any of your friends that you think it would help. I will see you next time.